My garden shed is a disaster. Today, we're clearing out the chaos and giving it a spring cleanup and some organization. Let's get this space ready for the gardening season. Be sure to stick around for the full reveal at the end of the video. Ooh, it's very bright, but beautiful. The last time I was out here working on the garden shed, the little cleanup I want to do, it was another 50-degree day, but it was about 6 weeks ago, I think. I'm not really sure. And it's just been so cold here in Delaware, I haven't been able to get back to it. So I'm just not getting back to it. Got my water in hand. And let's take another look out here. Oh, goodness, I got some things to do. I gotta unpack everything that's here in the center. I had to pack it up because last year my husband and I discovered that the mice enjoyed $50 worth of seeds that I'd bought from Johnny's Seeds. Yep. Really enjoyed them. I had no clue. So this year, at the end of the season, I boxed everything up in containers and just set it here in the middle. That's what I'm going to take care of for the rest of today. Let me show you around because I don't remember what I showed you last time, so hang tight. All right, I'm going to back up as much as I can. Here is the inside of the garden shed. I feel like it's awfully dark. So I hope that you're able to see what's going on here. So this is the back wall of my garden shed. It's just this beautiful, all the baskets that used to hang are put away, this shelf, another shelf. You see, I just have clutter and stuff stuck on these shelves just in a terrible way. On that shelf on the right-hand side, there's the stack of stuff in the middle, and then over here on the left, I have all that stuff stacked there. My dirt garden is a disaster. My little chainsaw is out. That little thing right there has been a gem for pruning trees. I'm going to link that down below in case you need something. I don't know if I'll get a chance to show you how to use it today, but if you need something like this, a pruner that is easy to use, this is easy to use and it's very safe. Anyway, first off, I'm going to put some things away. My grandkids were here recently, and they love to play on the chalkboard, and they love to dig in the rocks. So I'm going to clean up some of these things first. Then I will start emptying out the containers here in the middle. As I was vacuuming out around all the windows, getting the cobwebs and the little spider nests and all that stuff, I had a beautiful thought. What was it? I can't get it into my mind. My husband and I worked on this building the summer of 2024. We built it with our own two bare hands. We struggled through it in many ways because we'd never made anything quite this detailed. This was our biggest DIY project of our 42 years of marriage. This was probably the biggest one. We had some arguments along the way. We had some really good times along the way. We did a lot of brainstorming together. And for me, the building turned out perfect, even though in your eyes it might not be perfect. There are broken windows, there are gaps. Not all the windows were the same measurement, so each one had to be measured separately. We used a ton of reclaimed lumber, which meant the measurements were custom for each little aspect of this building because we didn't have stock, we didn't purchase stock lumber. Let's see what else. So even though it might not seem perfect, like I said, it is perfect to me because this building represents so much of my husband and I together and our 42 years of marriage. It wasn't perfect when we built it. We had, no, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I will say this. This building holds a special place in my heart. I'll cherish it for as long as I'm here. And I'll hold the memory of working on projects. And I'll hold the memories of working on projects for 42 years with my husband. Every time I see this building, every time I'm in this building, I'll remember all those projects and I'll cherish them in my heart forever. I'll be updating the outside of this adorable garden shed in the coming weeks. Be sure to subscribe. I don't want you to miss that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.